Hey, what's up guys? Luke Profits. Just wanted to shoot a quick little update video here. So you remember I filmed a couple days ago how you can get into Facebook even while you're still banned to be able to add tracking numbers? Well, just got unbanned today. It is 4/4/2022. So, pretty cool. April 4th. And I am finally unbanned, so you can see some of my listings here. And I need to get some stuff back up because obviously it's been a little bit. But I don't have anything that got canceled for being late, and I'm back. So a little bit sick right now, but it's all right. Just wanted to show you that even if you get banned, it's not that big of a deal. It's not something to freak out about if it's just that normal ban. And I'm just going to go ahead and delete and relist all these items and start bringing some sales in.
Anyway guys, that's it for the video. If you're new to dropshipping on Facebook, I've got a full free set of training videos down there, link in the description, that go over everything you need to know to start making money online. I also have a Facebook account management service where me and my team work on your account and get it up to making several $1,000s profit a month. We totally handle everything so that it's passive for you, and you get to keep 30% of the profits, and then we get 70% of the profits. If that sounds like something that you'd be interested in, basically just me and my team managing your account, go ahead and go to lukeprofits.com/manage and I'll be in touch. I also do one-on-one Facebook dropshipping training, and if that's something that you'd be interested in, you can go to lukeprofits.com/apply and I will hit you back. I post new content on this channel every couple days, so go ahead and subscribe and hit the notifications, and I'll be back here with another video in a couple days.